Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Just certain situations I want to talk to you about in this video, alright? First up, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. The video that I am about to present to you is going to show how police officers worked together in order to arrest or detain a person. Now the video that I am about to present to you is going to show when police somewhat pulled a person from out of a motor vehicle and or away from a motor vehicle. And while police was in the process of placing handcuffs on the person did some things that can be considered as resisting arrest. The video shows when the person was trying to escape from those police officers who you can see in the video. The video also shows when the person was trying to run away from police officers. But the video shows when those police officers worked together in order to apprehend the person, viewers and subscribers. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And based on what you're about to see and also some words that you're about to hear in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think about the situation. Now, I'm going to present this video to you, but I want you to please bear in mind that this video is going to show what I call a hostile situation. The video is going to show some form of shoving and pushing and also some type of wrestling between police officers we can see in the video and the person who those police officers was trying to detain or arrest. You see what I'm saying to you? At one part of the video you can see where police officers hold the person down to the ground in order to restrain the person. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Where on the way?
We not no good.
Police stop here, you don't want to stop?
We not stop, but we stop. Sorry, I'm not ready.
Wait up.
We tap my youth.
No, come on now. Next one.
Truman Avenue. Richmond Park Drive.
Look on the front of the motor vehicle. I look on the motor vehicle. Is that? Alright my people, now listen to this part of the video right here. Listen to this part.
Where on the way?
We not no good.
Police stop here, you don't want to stop?
We not stop, but we stop. Sorry, I'm not ready.
You hear that? Alright, listen again my people, listen.
Where on the way?
We not no good.
Police stop here, you don't want to stop?
We not stop, but we stop. Sorry, I'm not ready.
Wait up.
We tap my youth.
I hope you hear that. Yes, what I say. So I think that part of the video might give some form of understanding about the whole situation. Listen, let me say these words. You see, if you're driving a motor vehicle, even if you walk on the road and if police approach you or stop you, it's best to comply. Hear what the police have to say. Because you might be surprised to know that they must save your life. You probably are going at danger and they might try to stop you from going at danger. You see me I say? And you have some people do some foolishness on the road too, whether them be a pedestrian or a motorist. You understand me? Yeah, you have some drivers who drive careless. You have some pedestrians who do certain things where can put themselves and others in danger as well. Just like drivers and motorists as well. Some people, based on what you see in this video and based on some words that have been said in this video, I would like you to tell me what you think about this situation that you can see and hear in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been accused of being a goat thief. Now, I got the understanding that the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded. And I also got the understanding that it is believed that this person who you can see in the video who had been accused of being a goat thief was not the only person who was involved in what some people might call stealing goat or goats. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Now, in this video, you can hear when at least one person asks the person certain questions, viewers and subscribers. And now, in a part of the video, two persons said some words that gave me the understanding that one person asked one person, "You call the police general?" And the person responded by saying, "Yeah man, I dem me a wait pan." And the person said other words as well. Now, in proper English, viewers and subscribers, that would mean that one person asked the other person if that person called the police. And the person responded with a certain amount of words, meaning yes. And someone brought the video to my attention, viewers and subscribers. And I saw that the video had been posted at least one place on social media within the year 2022. Yes, I saw that the video had been posted at least one place on social media within the year 2022. So this video had been put out there on social media for some time now. Anyways, I want you to look at the video and tell me what you think about the whole situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
General, no man, I give no chance to them, man. Beg your chance, man. Don't get up in a black move, man. I'm not run, man. Just easy. I can't shoot up in the corner. I'm not run, man. Just beg your chance, man. Where you want to beg? Where you find them, man? Where you find them, man? Yeah, I'm a youth of a yard, then. Suffer, we are suffering. Suffer? Eh? Yeah, you know that girl come out to wear something for the race court. We're not deep people, we're not suffer. You come from that. Stop on top of people. The car, suffer me, suffer. I change the plate with a man say. If you want for your chance, but you forget for what you I love the tone, I love you, not that night, yeah. This is the M1, you walk this. Can't go back to them places, just give me a chance. Yeah, man, let me away from police and waste time, man. Prison of no better than good thief, child. Good thief. Oh, him? Good thief, man. Taxi, man. Ah, taxi, man. I can't keep me go down a police run a lane around so. No, we're not chopping up. We're not chopping up. We're not chopping up. The man to jail. The man to jail. The man to come and kill him. No, we're not going to kill him. So where you come on? Tell me something now. Why you talk to me now? Who said I got some people there? Nobody just send me to them. You go to the jail, are your friend? No, man, I'm not do it. So how you end up around there, sir? I know him still, but me just go around if you go check on the human, them and save them good, man. And just buck up on the goat? And where after that? Talk and tell me what about it. Where your friend there? I man, we run off a while ago at TV, man. No, man, that's it. That's it. Why you guy yard? Why you reason why you reaching that lane? I go check for the woman, them to see if they good and heal them up and see. Why you go and ask the woman if the man come from jail? You know him no come from. Him tell us about there now? No, man, you not tell me no. I'm tell you that? No, you not gonna lie. You not gonna lie? No. So when you left yourself, you drive up the road and see man them up on the corners and you can reverse fast come that lane. And you tell the man, say, cut the rope and come. No say, no that happen. Talk to me. You say talk to me, no that happen. I am definitely saying I'm going to take them up. So what are you a driver? So you reverse that lane, and you tell him to cut the rope and come. That's how you go. And because you hear me, you return back you go, right? Because them control the whole thing. They don't know how really go out with things in this area. But they get a call and a man say, yo, and them are run the thing in this area. Who are run the thing? I just drive this area. So,
alright, my people, me play back a little piece of that video. I'm going to listen to that part here. Listen to that part here, my people. Listen.
I can't shoot up in the corner. Run, man. Just take your chance, man.
You hear that? One more time.
Run, man. I can't shoot up in the corner. Run, man. Just take your chance, man.
You hear that? I like to play back certain parts of a video and make you listen for yourself, my people. See? Yeah, I saw mistake. So, on a real though, this is quite embarrassing. Quite embarrassing. And I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons might have been apprehended when it comes on to this situation, you know, about goat being stolen or goat stealing or whatsoever they call it. You understand? You see me? But one thing for sure though, it's quite embarrassing, you know? I tell a man that. So let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know? Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. By the way, I don't know what happened after the video that I just presented to you stop recording. Yeah, I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after the video that I just presented to you stop recording. But the video I've been talked about on social media. Let me know what you think about that video and the other video that I presented to you. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.